My youth, dress code. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Ageable.
Okay.
Is when me go to school. Me go to school. Them say, picnic, I eat out picnic lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say picnic, I eat out picnic lunch. And one boy will take out the picnic lunch one day. So I deal with, me don't know why this school full of boy picnic. And he pick out from me. And say, me go take out the picnic lunch. You hear me say? This is one of victorious. I ride over that one like a ship on sea. Them used to wear khaki. Me never used to wear none. So when they say he lunch heat out, what I just pass up. When they say lunch heat out, and they pick them a search for their lunch, you know, a big guy virgin. Me know here when he says about me see all of a picking a Quran, and the teacher a Quran and say, come on, tell me sit down eat for your lunch, you know.
You not even know say lunch it out, but then pick out you.
They, brother, how me go trouble people things? Family lick me not trouble. Because me that could have go in party lunch in my store anyway. Because in the whole storeroom everybody have to put their lunch. So when everybody has say, me say no. Do you know what kind of lunch? Fritters and fried egg. The whole hile, you know the egg whole hile.
Yes, man.
The whole hile, you know.
Yes.
So meanwhile, him did it and everybody look for me, somebody my back on my head in front of the teacher, you know. And I say, you take out the penny lunch. I say, me not take out no penny lunch. One guy look upon him now, and he throws his pocket. See that?
Evidence did they?
Then me say, this is a liar victorious. The big everlasting fat half of the egg and the fritters. You know, what that in your pocket? So when you do that, so a big rotten fritters and the egg in your pocket. You better your blood clot, yo.
So the boy with the fritters.
Him.
Him
talk
pick you out.
Him. They know him. They know him, man. You know, him. You see, Jesus said anybody who never sin cast the first stone. But him knows that sin and still fling. You take out the picking and you no go hide. You're so guilty. It's like you no more. Are you alone? No who? Him. Fucker. Yeah. They hold him, see? They hold him ratting. I say, it's a little teacher beat him. I pick him like that, but if I pick him. You fucker, yo. That one of the lie. But me ride over it, bro.
Yeah.
Me say, him have one khaki pants.
The
egg.
Game, man.
With the holy hile.
Yes.
Right in side pocket there, so. One man say, one big boy in his clothes. And then me see mix milk powder. Me say, wait. What in your pocket? And he say, what in your pocket?
Catch to rotted.
No get catch, he get lock up. If him did move and gone, everybody, they would have still see me. But he mean that him a reinforce because I see him like how lunch bell ring, you know. He fly out and go to the picnic and lunch. But he couldn't hear me put in a pocket. He should have hat, man. He should have.
Probably when put in a pocket and you never move so fast, they that catch him and take out it.
They know that they don't catch him because children run like horse when they bring lunch time giving them, brother. So him just run in and just grab out two and put in a pocket and take off him for them lunch now, brother, and sardine now and have it. And behind your coat, and him just giving me lunch. And him. Look how much children in school and me you pick out. And him alone can't know say me.
What other line somebody people ever tell for you?
The next lie, rat, it all. Let me tell you something. Aye. You know, some my time, you see, you know, want to touch my subject, them, you know. Because most I lie they will tell for me, you know, let me tell you this.
You avenge it.
Me revenge all of them not that there. What you mean? Me revenge enough of them. Because me say, when I man sing music, say some of them are go share but I alone not bear the pain or ass. Me I tell you, so me not bear the pain alone, man. You're crazy. Mad. And make me get beaten. Make me get beaten. You get beaten too. You know, so we don't really want to touch somebody because you like them rigid that the people are living.
Okay.
I tell you, we can't tell him, we can't talk as much as to this. The people ain't living.
Never thief out that food out of pocket.
No, I can tell you no. We used to mischievous a yard. When we talk about food now, we never really take food out of pot. But I tell you how we do it. No. We take whole pot of food, man. But I tell you how we do
Whole
it.
pot of food?
Whole of it.
From your yard?
No, man.
Oh.
When we was about 15, 16,
Yeah.
and we hang out, and make up a cook. We shouldn't do it because my father not giving to that. My father say, anything you have a cook, come here and cook it. If you have to give anybody any, give them some, but no go nobody go cook. No do it. That will make you worthless. But anyway, you used to hang out and cook. So some of the time when we ready to go cook, some of the time me no have no money. But we go down from my yard now and me get piece of my mother's scallion and onion and season and so forth. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
If I help me throw little and whatever me can get to make up a deal, me do that. When the food cook majority of the time, it's something me would not give none. Me?
We put in so much work.
Yeah, and go look all wood, carry all water.
But how people love do that thing? You used to love do that thing that you saw.
Let me tell you something, say. Me don't know if because my mother and father is so soft. My mother and father are very soft, you know. When we say soft, they left everything to God,
Yeah.
which them not wrong. But we suffer through that. So them everybody knows, and everybody knows it. But you know, so you know if you do yourself or beat you if you know you know. I brother Stanley come back and catch you or beat, I mean know that. So it's like they know so me know if you did it.
Yeah.
It's like me if them crowd. You can't pick me out because me not supposed to be in a crowd. So when I do when I get a bit older, about 16, I come out about 17. We go one place one night time. But when I cook in it spot, me no have nothing in my pot that day. Remember, when me used to call shot, me have 1-2 pound of flour money, me no make nobody know. Just go catch fish and left some yard and took off, go up there and put on my pot. And everybody, almost like 5 of we always did it. Me do that and they know I'm nothing in it, I'm food share. That's some work. You know, if you put nothing in that pot for eat, that's some work.
And some of the time they share and not give none.
Well, I know, when we do this spot, you know, only when me come in at the pool,
Yeah.
the food share good.
Yes.
You know, lie. But that day, some of the time now, when me know so me can't find a thing, me not have somebody for nothing. Just put on a pot, you know. And me so like do it too. So this special day now me go up there. Me about 17, you know. I mean, we could have go out and could have go anywhere me want to go. And I said, you know, me I go up on the hill there, you know. And me go up there. Me see one of the guy. He younger than me. And I blow the fire, you know, and I blow the, you know, rat in them, I cook. And I blow the fire. So I go up and say, yo. Somebody looks and see me. The first thing come out of my mouth. Boy, I know for me food, you know. A John Bull give me one food on the floor if you cook for him, I know for me. I tell him at times, I give me none, you know.
Same way.
That the time, in those days, me no heat flour, you know. Me swallow flour. Me Me don't eat them. Just swallow them blood clean. So you know what them a cook?
What?
Mackerel. Hockey cooked in a coconut juice with mackerel. You know wicked.
That's so nice, you know, man.
I'm a taxi man. The other you jump because it's too fast. Nice! Sweet like drinks. I said, as a young boy, you know that damn day you want, brother.
Yes, man.
And me send the breadfruit and the banana.
Hey, first time I youth, you know. If you cook soup and give me another dumpling in my ball, you know.
Talk to man. You know, not food without no dumpling, without dumpling, man.
Dumpling have you eaten there?
If I have sauce or dumpling,
Yes.
if I have sauce or rice. So, me I tell you now, when we realize, you must have to take off the pot of fire. The pot cook. And when, boy, all in the pan, boy, I mean, you know, it's a good thing in the rest because food can't share. I mean, I say nothing. You sit down in there. And in a house, and the food cook. One man get 5. That a man owner for the place. Him get 5. The other 3 man. One get 7, one get 8. Him will cook. About 9 about a 9 dumpling him take.
And the food can't share.
Then the man for the house say, wow, you know, you brethren in that food. You don't me say food can't share. Man, I say, you go for us in the contact when I see my friend. I say, good man, me good man. Me good. Me good man. All right. You know, all right, asshole, for me. But me just know, that's why it's me not like a person use food against me.
Yeah.
No. Me not like a person use food against me. If you give me food and take it, tell me, if me no eat it, I have me eat it, me go buy back if not can come deal. I mean just somebody that with you no more. Me not like that.
Right.
Because me not give you food and use against you, no brother.
True, man.
No man. Me not do it, man. Once a man eat in stomach and take it, you know.
Yes, man.
And remember, people that tell you they think like shit. Everybody name shit. The first stage of food, first stage of shit is food.
Yeah.
That is its first stage where shit come from. A shit that. So if you give man like food and that talk about you talk shit. That talk about shit. Not true?
Yeah, man.
So when I man down, you know, say him not give none for him. Say turn man wants to go and yam. The other one did it. I laugh how me no get none food. Him will cook now.
Are you always cook and share?
Yes, man. When me cook a river fish in the rasta, and rice and dumpling, you know. Him know we cook food now. Him have to roll a split first. I want brother me tell you about him can cook and he cook clean. Him have to build a split first, mix in with sugar and water, wash it and then he go sit down comfortable and eating food. That's how him work it. So me when they did their heat, man, everybody, him did their put himself together and I say, you know, me make a movie here, sir. Me bex in the rasta. No ask me if me bex wicked, brother. So see him as when me come outside now right for one jump on top, they say no. Him bend down against the jump and wash his hand. And put the cheese pan on the jump. With the flour. And hockey, mackerel at the bottom there. So me just hold the cheese pan and step back. First me started out as a joke. But me just turned out serious. And when that man say, yo, you see Bridget to go me food. You see by the time you look around me saw all I want to know. You know. Oi, put on me buckler foot. Put on my foot, me say man, be safe. And me a step back. And every move he move to me before I say weak. weak. And me just upon in the dumpling, whapping that salting, whap. Say you idiot. And me a step back.
You not afraid they fight you?
Nobody can fight. Them the time they have no strength. Cause the floor gone.